Now let's learn about comparing files in Linux. So for comparing files in Linux, we have three by default method, which is called diff, then sdiff and vimdiff. Okay, we will learn about all of this when we will be on our Ubuntu VM. Okay, so let's move on our Ubuntu VM and let's practice this. So I'm on my Ubuntu VM. So we have stuff from previous chapter, so how we can clear of this. So I will keep the secret 1, 2 and 3. So I will keep the secret 3 here. Now let's remove the avatar ZZ and BZ2. So how you can do that? I will use option RM our archive.tar. Till here it was good. Then I will use option star. Okay, so it will delete both of these file. Now if you want to use option RM, then what I will do, I will press that, hey, delete everything which contains 3 in here. So it will delete secret.3.txt also. Okay, now we are with this one. Let me clear the terminal. Now if I will see the contents of cat of secret1, secret1.txt, so it has some tags, then site, user, password and tags. Okay, so it has this. Now also if you want to see the tags, let's see the contents of cat secret2. So it has some difference. So from credential, it has credentials, then hooray is hooray, then the user is different. Okay, now let's see the difference how you can. So here I had to paste them in different type. So in here, then I had to press enter, then I had to provide it here. So let's see how you can see them as in real time. So I will maximize the window. Now I will, so by default I will press, so I will use option diff. Okay, so diff, then I will give option secret1.txt and secret2.txt. If I will hit enter, so first it will give the option. Okay, so what option it will give? So first one is the line number in file text 1, then the comma will come on comma later, and the last one is the difference in the that it is differing in the second file. Okay, so the comma before the first comma, it will be in the first file, and the comma after that it will be in the second file. Now what's the middle one? The middle one can be A, B, C. A means add, B means D means delete, D for deletion, and C for change. So here it is changed. It means the fifth and third one is changed. Okay, so you can see the fifth one and third one are changed, and also the third thing and fifth thing is changed in first and third file. Okay, so here you can see that these things are changed. So it is showing from the first file, then three hyphens, then what's the difference of these thing to this thing in the second file. So it is saying that, hey, this is difference. Hope we are clear with this. Now let me clear the terminal. Now I will use option sdiff. Okay, I will use option sdiff. This is also by default method for differentiating the files. So if I will hit enter, so it will tell you the difference side by side by opening the files, and also it will add the lines where it is different. So okay, so on the different, on the diff only, so it was saying on the first line that it is change or add. So C means change, A means add, and D means deletion. Like, but here it is not telling anything. It's just adding a pipe symbol, right? So it's saying this one is different, this one is different, and this one is different, and these two are same, right? Now the next one and advanced we have is vimdiff. So it's basically a extension of vi editor. We have discussed about vi editor. So what we can do, we can use vimdiff, and let me press this one, and then I will use vim as a prefix. Okay, so vimdiff secret1.txt, secret2.txt. If I will hit enter, it will open the thing into window. Now the difference it will tell you is by default by orange color. Okay, so I don't know which color is this, so it's orange color for me. So And what's so the total things are difference, the total stuff are different, it will be shown in the orange color, and whatever the lines you are differing, it will be in the purple highlighted color. Okay, so in here it is telling me that hey, line 3, 4 and 5 is different in both of these, and what stuff is different. So here it, in the user section it is DevOps, and it is here guy, it is hooray, there hooray, it is here credential, and there it is credentials. Okay, now if you want to switch between the tabs, you can press Control plus WW. So I press Control plus WW. Okay, so I'm in here. You can navigate here and there in this file. Of course you can write anything to it if you want to write it. Okay, and so if I am in this, so everything will work here. So command mode, line mode and insert mode, it will work here. So suppose if I am on second tab, if I will hit colon, so it's on secret, it's working in secret2.txt, right? So I will escape it. I want to go back to the first one, this one. So what I will do, I will press Control plus WW. So I'm in here. Now if you want to quit all of them, then if you want to quit one thing, then you can press colon Q. So it will quit first, then it will quit, then it will maximize the window. Okay, so if I will press Q, then you can see that one was closed, then it has two, then you can press here also, so it will close this. If you want to close all, so by forcing it, so how you can do, you can press Q A and then exclamation mark. Okay, so if you will hit enter, it will close both at the same time. Okay, yeah, of course you can add more stuff to it. So suppose if I will echo to any file, suppose if I am echoing echo, then this is new line, and what I am doing, I am ex let me append it, not update it, appending it to secret.txt. Okay, so I have appended it. This line was added, might be added in the next line in the secret.txt. If I will add to diff, okay, diff, let me see by diff. So what it will do, so you can see that these things are different, and this one was, let me delete some of the files. So what I will do, I will go in here and let me delete this one. I will hit save. So why I'm doing that, it's in here, it's only C means change. Okay, let's see what happens if we delete some stuff. So once I will do that, so it is saying that first it is 0 A1 means A means add, C means change, and D means delete. So the first one is, so what it's doing, that in the first one, in the first file it is nothing, but in the second file it is added, and where it is added, it is at one's place, means the first line. Okay, and then the changing are saying here, so second in the first one and 6 in the second one, and then here it is the changing side. Okay, so I am hoping you are clear with diff, sdiff and vimdiff. So that's it for this lecture. We will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care.